Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a custom entry control in .NET Maui, multi-platform app UI, allows developers to extend the default functionality of entry fields, providing tailored user experiences across platforms including iOS. In this tutorial, we'll walk through creating a custom entry control in .NET Maui that demonstrates how to implement styles, behaviors, and platform-specific features. Prerequisites. 1. .NET Maui installed. Ensure you have the .NET Maui workload installed. You can check this by running the following command in your terminal. Bash .NET workload install Maui. 2. IDE. Use Visual Studio 2022 or later with the Maui workload. Step 1. Create a new .NET Maui project. 1. Open Visual Studio. 2. Click on Create a new project. 3. Search for Maui and select Maui app. 4. Name your project, example custom entry example, and click Create. Step 2. Create the custom entry control. 1. In the custom entry example project, create a new folder named Controls. 2. Inside the Controls folder, create a new class named customentry.cs. Sharp. Using Microsoft.Maui.Controls. Using Microsoft.Maui.Graphics. Namespace custom entry example.controls. Public class custom entry, entry. Public static read-only bindable property border color property equals. Bindable property .create, name of, border color, type of, color, type of, custom entry, colors.gray. Public color border color. Get equals, color, get value, border color property. Set equals set value, border color property, value. Public custom entry. / set default styles if needed. This background color equals colors.transparent. This text color equals colors.black. Step 3. Use the custom entry control in XAML. 1. Open mainpage.xaml. 2. Add a namespace reference to your control's namespace in the content page tag. XML. XML version equals 1.0 encoding equals UTF-8. Content page XML equals http://schemas.microsoft.com/.net/2021/Maui. XML NSX equals http://schemas.microsoft.com/winf/2009/XAML. XML NS controls equals CLR namespace custom entry example.controls. X class equals custom entry example.main page. Stack layout padding equals 20. Controls custom entry placeholder equals enter text here. Border color equals blue. Margin equals 0,0,0,20. Height request equals 50 / stack layout / content page. Step 4. Customize the iOS renderer, optional. If you want to implement platform-specific styling or behaviors, you can create an iOS-specific renderer. 1. Create a folder named platform/iOS in your project. 2. Inside the iOS folder, create a new class named customentryrenderer.cs. Sharp. Using customentryexample.controls. Using customentryexample.ios.renderers. Using Microsoft.Maui.controls.compatibility.platform.ios. Using UIKit. Assembly, expert renderer, type of, custom entry, type of, custom entry renderer. Namespace custom entry example.ios.renderers. Public class custom entry renderer, entry renderer. Protected override void on element changed event args entry e. base.onElement changed, e. If, control, equals null. Control.borderStyle equals UI text borderStyle.line. Control.layer.borderColor equals UI color.blue.cg color, / set the border color. Control.layer.borderWidth equals 1, / set the border width. Control.layer.corner radius equals 5, / set the corner radius. Control.background color equals UI color.clear, / clear background. Step 5, test the application. 1. Set the iOS project as the startup project. 2. Run the application on an iOS simulator or a physical device. Additional features. You can extend the functionality of your custom entry control by adding properties for features like placeholder text color, input validation, custom events, example for text changes. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you created a custom entry control in .NET Maui that works on both Android and iOS. You also learned how to implement platform-specific features using a renderer. .NET Maui provides a robust way to build cross-platform applications, and customizing controls can significantly enhance your app's user experience. Feel free to extend the custom entry with additional properties and behaviors as per your application's requirements.